greetings to one and all watching this video. This is Anya Roy from grade 9B and today I'll be telling you few concepts and formulas which are related to the topic trigonometry. So let us discuss few basic points which are related to trigonometry. First, trigonometry formulas are applied only in a right angle triangle. Second, in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse remains fixed, which is the line opposite to the angle of 90 degree. So over here the angle of 90 degree is angle C and the line which is opposite to it is AB, which is the hypotenuse. Base and perpendicular is decided with the help of angle of consideration. So for example, if we take the angle of consideration as B, our base will be BC and perpendicular will be AC. But if you take the angle of consideration as A, then base will be AC and perpendicular will be BC. So in any case, hypotenuse always remains fixed, but base and perpendicular keeps on changing. Now let us see few formulas which are related to trigonometry. First, sine theta. Theta is the angle of consideration. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosine theta is base by hypotenuse. Tangent theta is perpendicular by base. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec theta is hypotenuse by base. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Now let us take a question. So for example, AB over here is 5 cm, AC is 3 cm and BC is 4 cm. And we are taking over here the angle of consideration B. You are asked to find out sin B, cos B and tan B. So sin B, the formula is, we just studied about it, perpendicular by hypotenuse, as you can see over here. So over here the perpendicular is AC and the base hypotenuse is AB. So it will be 3 by 5. Similarly, cos B is equal to BC by AB, which is equal to 4 by 5. And tan B is equal to AC by BC, which is equal to 3 by 4. That's it for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.